Hello everyone, welcome back to our creative corner. Today we are diving into the magical world of Christmas decoration and ornaments, handmade, budget friendly, and full of warmth. Whether you want to decorate your living room, your Christmas tree, or even your balcony, these ideas will help you bring them cozy, glowing, festive feeling into your home. So grab your crafting material, light candle, and let's begin this creative Christmas journey together. Let's start some beautiful ornaments ideas that you can easily make at home. Pine cone ornaments: collect pine cones from your garden or park, clean them, and paint the edges with a touch of white or gold acrylic paint and a small ribbon on top, and you have a rustic, nature inspired ornaments. Snowflakes: cut snowflakes shaped from thick paper or felt, sprinkle glitter, and hang them using a transparent thread. These look magical when light passes through them. Wrap small empty boxes with shiny paper, tie them with golden thread, and hang them on your Christmas tree. It adds them charming gift under the tree feel. Wrap jute or twins around a balloon, apply glue and let it dry. Pop the balloon and decorate your jute ball with lace or teeny pearls. It gives us warm and rustic touch. Now let's talk about lighting, the heart of every Christmas decoration, fairy lights. So fairy lights jar, take empty glass jar or bottles and fill them with fairy lights. You can also add pine needles, cinnamon sticks, or small ornaments inside for a cozy effects. Cut beautifully pattern on paper cup in a tin can. Place LED candles inside that create soft shadow and bring a calming mood to your evening. Hang fairy lights around your mirror, windows, and fireplace. Add teeny ornaments or dried flowers between the light for a dreamy look. Make your home like cozy and amazing, especially for upcoming Christmas event. It's not just an event, it's a memory, it's a history of our whole event. So manage your all home according to this event. Cut star shapes from cardboard, wrap them in foil and add teeny lights around them, perfect for a halfway or above your bed. Let's look some unique material that can make your decoration stand out. Use recycled material. Use old CDs to create shiny ornaments. Cut them into pieces and glue them on cardboard stars or balls. Natural elements: add creme, cinnamon sticks, orange slice, pine leaves, and wooden beads for a natural cozy scent and look. Turn old fabric into bows, stars, or small stocking is sustainable and add a personal touch. Add some glitter. These two are your best friends for shining and protecting your craft. Try mixing different texture like rough burlap with shiny ribbon to create contrast and depth in your decoration. Once your craft is ready, let's see how it designs your space beautiful. Place your handmade ornaments evenly on your tree and fairy lights, ribbons, and maybe a homemade star topper. Hang jute garland, snowflakes, or paper stars. You can also use a wooden ladder to hang ornaments vertically. It's look modern and stylish. You can also use in centerpiece of your table. Place a tray with your candles, pine cones, small ornaments, and greenery in the center of your dining tables. You can also use door wreath. Make a simple wreath using twigs, pine cones, and ribbon to welcome guests with festive joy. As your decoration, remember Christmas crafting is not just about making things look pretty, beautiful. It's about slowing down, spending times with loved ones, and filling your home with love's creative and joy. So light up your home, enjoy the process, and let every decoration reflect your heart warmth. If you enjoy these ideas, this crafting, must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos. If you really like, so please share with your friends and family. It will help you how to make your home beautiful with amazing and beautiful craft. You can also visit channel, there is lots of amazing and beautiful ideas especially for you and upcoming Christmas event. Must visit. And I already stated thanks for your lovely support. I really need your support, so keep watching my channel, keep supporting. Must post your valuable and precious comments, which is very valuable for us. We'll work on it and uploading our next crafting and ideas according to your comments. So don't forget and must post your valuable comments. Enjoy your upcoming holidays, Christmas event, and make your home beautifully according to this beautiful and amazing Christmas event. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Take care. Goodbye.